Sigaw ka na? Mga shirt lang ko lang ito. Di ba yung gaan? Kung may nagpakaam sa inyo. Pagkanaan ako singkaw ngayon ko. Ay, pakinulaan ko na siya para tape ko, pero mga 3 minutes, ay gumawa lang kayo, wala ko rin pagtapat.
Lagi namin kapang sa keyboard.
Baka wala.
Ha? Doon ko na, sito na ang balas mo. Pwede, hindi mo. Dasokon.
Dasokon kami yung pano. Ano baga, saranggatas baga, dasokon baga yan.
Ayo, makito. Ang kanya dati.
Kaya, ano pa ba niya?
Ang kanya.
Nakakalata ang siga. Ha? Wala ta kay maano na ako, wala ka lang. Wala tayo din na.
Nakuhan. Bye. Ah. Ada ba? Yo. Dua. Bilin. Wala sa tayo, may. Dio, sunatan ko budget mo. Gawin ka Dio. Sunatan mo.
Layas. Paano ito? Paglayas talaga. Burakin na dakuan. Burakin na burang.
Nilagtuan.
Good morning. Hello, Mr. David. Subscribe and give you a like. Thank you for the like. Burakin na burang. Burakin na. Diba?
Dili nga ni nagkakagiri. Dili na ni Ray na saraan na lang ang tatay. Sa Teresa, sa Milandos. Sa tabong-tabong, karapadita. Tagtag tulo. Yada na. Kapod si ate Ate May. Bakit talaga yun yan? Ilang nga rin, parang sa kanya, di ba niya yapo?
Thank you so much. Sorry, just busy. Every morning, busy much. Mainom ka tube? Tube. Gusto mo tube? Mas kinano, lagan. Matangay, adi na, mag-ano na, kakaragkad na yan. Kadali, nagluto mo si Pain. May luto ka mo doon?
Ayun natin, ito'y nasunod na.
Bago?
Paka na lang tabi. Insog na ko kay nagbahaw si Dada. Dito may rice chan. Mm.
Pag ba rin ng... Pag ba rin ng sleeper mo, Jayla. Okay na yan. Pumasok ka na naman. I just can't believe that you were lying here. You were just a dream that I saw. And I thought it would be what I couldn't. I was anything in this world. No, Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike. Busy Daddy Mike. Sir Bell. Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Was that Mitch? Match? Who's Match? Yes, cooking for my father. Food. Please marry me. Why should I marry America's most wanted? Have a cat also. Love you. Thank you. Salamat. Yes, boss. Thank you, Sir Bell.
Ha? Pagkagaragyahan. Oo. Kaya na ano na doon sa atin. Sa atin. Eh, isipin mo sabi na ito nila overload sa atin. Mayo. Magkagpo na yan. Alas 6 na nagsabi. Napon. Oo. Sabi naman may comment alas 6. Kapag-pakinig ko na nag-ready. Tapos, ganyan dito may alam ko sa kanila. Dito pa rin sa nag-alak yung dito sa isa. Narigos na dito na yung kasi tapos may ito nag-overnight sabi ko dahil yung sabi nag-overnight sabi na nila kami na siya kalahati ang sabi ng punin malaki ka po sa bataan saan sa dahil sa pag-review sa baga upod sa patag paliwat gabi may pakahati na duwa maalas ano na doon alas 9 na may pakahati na duwa ewa mo sa kayan buro bit-bit ni ate aloy pag mo doon kaya naabot ka pa kay halik kakaraan nun ninang mayad to ninang ano Espinola karaan ng Lilia mayad to nahalik pa lang sabto ng gas alright.
Hi, hello idol, Joel Mondo. Hi, thank you for likes. Why are you crying, Tadang? Baba, come here, Baba. Oh, to the Daddy Mike now. Daddy Mike, watching you ka na. Ala, di ka na love ni Daddy Mike. Di mo na love Daddy Mike. Oh, ka na lang, come here na. Ready da. Daddy, bang. Kaya come here. Nano, what you want? You buy chocolate, ice cream, biscuit? Papa? Ano ba? Ha?
Kay ano Pirate ang pingganan papay tati na sa may pinggan. Good morning. Na, yan. Tama na. Tama yan. Kung ako kabibili na paghala. Man? Namata ka ba lang? Ha? Ube? Adi ko di po ka. Latlak ko ang ikaw ano. Kita ko sa baba. Nawalat lang. Mainit? Ah. Ate, may mainit tabi. Paano sa lang? Wala na. Kaya na. May ilo. Pili na inipay na mainit. Walang tagang ko mainit. Dalang mainit. Ha? May lang marami sila.
Darating sa daan.
Papay, mainiton. Mo daw. Ay. Basta. Tama yun? Mainiton. Diyo-diyo lang, ha? Hindi mo lang ibutang, ha? Ha? Ate kasi, nag-ayok mainit. Ha?
Ayaw sa manyan to.
Aran. Kain ka.
Hi, OGV. Hi, Jovi Maturan. Hi, Sir Jacob. Miss it. Not yet come because there's one. Get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Cha-cha. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Something like that.
Ay, pang gagawin. Bibi, puro ta rin na alam rin ako kumakain. Buka mo sa
Hindi
ito.
ako sinduto.
O, sige natin. Nagtatabi ate ha sa sulod. Ito. Kutsara. Kapila. Itsog na yun. Itsog na kapila. Si Dada mga. Pupunta sa may balde.
Again, guys, may murasot. Pagay malayo ng pamati.
Namata pa lang kanta.
Pag namata pa lang mapagaling talaga magpaplat.
Ganun talaga mag...
Namata pa lang tapos irumong ka sa
Harawan.
karong-karawan. Sabi pag, magbiro ka na nagsalasing, huwag lang sa bagong gising.
Sa bagong gising.
to those Hito likes. Thank you so much. Dua, ay tuluha kay daganon kita. Tuluha kay, tuluha. Tulo baba.
Hello?
Opo, dagdagan ka siya. Dagdagan mo yung kuwang duluha kay makaroon kita. Sorry. Excuse me. Dawa daw kay makaong daw kami ni mama mo.
Sabi ko, shirt lang alaba ko ni Dada. Malaw.
Oo, kahit naglababan lang.
Paro ako.
Kuman mama.
Oh, butang mo yan din ano mo. Sino?
Ano, mabuyog to.
Butang mo yan din. Yung tubig ka kasi butang mo kay mama. Bukuan. Ang gandaan mo. Papaya.
Mama, ah. Nag-blue
Nag-ibe?
Ha?
Pag-inom na sa kape tapos
Ay, salang mo na. Di ka ngayon mo na doon. Di ka nag-iin mo.
Sa
O, ito
vitamin
na.
C.
Hala.
May, buta mo.
Dagdagin mo.
Ay, ayaw na kayo. Sarang man yun.
doon sa nakapiha.
Hi, thank you. Sir Steven. Hi, Sir Steven.
Bibi, ano mga ulunan daw, bibi ko daw daw. Inom ka na kayo, kakatapos mo doon. Hindi ha. Uy, unahan na dyan.
I'll carry on until every go stay beside me, but now no, you don't. All I can do is be free. Inside me. To leave me, gone, girl. How did you have to leave me? You say it better. Oh, God, that you wait lang. Pagsakit ay di arintan na. Masilayan ka lang dun sa bintana. At ay gagawin Dino, Dino, I don't like uh, I don't like toxic people on my life. So whatever you want, I don't care. So I kick people like you. We're waiting for you to answer the phone. I call Mike, but he didn't answer my calling. Oh, I call. When he calling, I am doing live. I'm sorry, I'm not answering the call. Can you please answer the ano Juan? I'm calling now. Maybe you busy to each other now. Hirap at sakit ay di alutan na. Masilayan ka lang din sa bintana. Oh my God. Waiting for... Oh my God! What are you doing? You're busy? What type of this? Yeah, because I'm busy. I'm busy. I clean out. Busy. I'm going outside and clean. I'm clean outside and I swim on the floor, something like that. Busy. Then up. I love the after. I love you too. Super tons of love. Yeah. You. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Me too. Please, come on. That's good. Yeah, yeah, because yeah, because this thing, maybe you change your mind, something like that. Good morning, Sir Fred. Time for counseling session. Well, Mike was on phone and we were waiting for you. Why would she kiss you? I'm so sad. Yeah. My goodness. Good morning, Sir Fred. Uncle Freddy. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. I know what I understand being busy because something like that. When I'm busy, I don't something like that. No worries. No worries. The important is being honest. You know what? Being loyal. Is stay with me. No cheating. Yeah, not toxic talk, not cheating. Charot. If you don't like me, say it directly. If you find someone, something like that. Yes, it's okay. I will understand. People change. That's good. Yeah, that's good. How I change? If I'm so, if, if I'm in love, happy, something like that. Something like this, something like that. I will charge Mike a bear for fee for you. Not answering the phone. Call me with me in my something like that. Sir Fred said, I will charge Mike a bear for you. Not answering the phone call with me and Mike. Oh my God. Habo mo na pa? Uh, gusto mo pa? Yes, Lord. My goodness. Can't wait to be here. Yes. Yeah, something like that. Sorry, good. Yes. Yeah, good. Make it like this first. Of course, I choose it first. But yes, can I? Sir William Ring sent me another money. Can maybe I will buy school supplies for my. You know what? Remember when my sister's kids hung at the farm? He said you can spend that for your another family or your family or for you, something like Sir William said. Seriously good. I think never. No. Uh, yeah, I will always tell. I will always tell my life. Yeah, something. Because I told on the live. Thank you, Sir William. I shout out him. Thank you, Sir William. How dare Mike hung up on me and talk to you? Oh my God. Free bird again. Yeah, I'm doing live. That's why I told on the live. Thank you, Sir William, because that money, I used that money you sent to me to the whose family burned down. Oh my, yeah, because when I'm going there, I say, "Oh my God, what happened to your house?" Because I remember we always go there for monitoring their kids, and she's pregnant. She's teeny tiny than me, small. My God, and she's pregnant. She has two kids, little one, and they carry and my God, and she's pregnant. Oh my God, and her husband going to Manila to work to provide them. So that's why. Oh my, yeah, he's a good man. I know. Yeah, because this is the grandmother now. So that's good. Their grandmother is kind. They will take care of. Yes? Yeah, maybe something like that. Yeah, the clothes. They need the clothes for the kids. You know, the kids is a little. The kids is under Nora. Their kids is. Yeah, even the mother no clothes. Everything, lost everything as in. People here also better to help. But the important thing is need to build their new home. You can donate William's gift for my birth. Sir Fred said, no. Only Sir Fred, only Mike can donate. Sir Fred, you can donate William gift for my bear. Oh my God. Maybe Sir William, I'm poor. Oh, I don't believe you're a poor, Sir Fred. You're ano, Juan. You have three houses, you have a condo, you have a mansion, you have another home, and you have lots of foods. Huh? Yeah, sir. You have a mansion, you have a condo, and then you have a house in Dipolog, and you have a mansion in Mindanao. Shh, that's our secret. I don't. You have a mansion in the mountain. You have a. Don't tell everyone. No, you have a condo in Cebu. That's it. He said, don't tell everyone. And you have a lots of money. And you said, sometimes you send me a money just for nothing, just want to send me money, something like that. I remember, I told, Sir Fred, why you send me? Just keep it. No. Thank you, Sir Fred. It helps. I'm trying to scam for bear and you're ruining my scam. The rich one are trying to scam. Ay, babang! What? Babang. Come on, let's eat na, babang. Come na. Bang! Yeah, Ashley. Ashley, Daddy Mike. You know Daddy Mike? She can't hear you because I used headphones. Ano si Babang? Yeah. Come on, September. Gab, kao na, Gab. Sige. Come on, September. Yes. I buy bread and then the corn and then the ano and then the corn again and then more corn and more ano. Babadala. Yeah. Ayan. She don't hear you. Gagawin ka. Kasi naka-headset ako. Hello. Mami Jailay. I see more bear coming from Mike soon. Why? Sir Fred said. Hi, Mahipal. Why?
Ang nadalaman ang puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. Kahit kailan na. Thank you. Yes. Here I am. Yeah. Yes. I need to be beautiful because for my hobby. Coffee. Yeah, no, I mean, I boiled water. What do you call it? Hot water from Kuan. I some sort of thermos. Sugar. Sugar. Para. Yeah. Scroll my message before that one. Okay. Scroll message. Mike, she going to cost you more because she ruined my scam. Oh my god. Sorry. Yeah. Sir Fred. What should I say? Sir Fred. Mike. I mental block. Can't say anything. Sir Fred, Mike, no more money sending you because Sir Fred. What should I say? Sir Fred, Mike, no more, no, no more. Sir Fred, no more girl from Mike because Mike spent more money to me. Yes, I did it right. Send super chat resume. Thank you so much.
Nagpapasakay tita si mamay ha.
Sir Fred, something.
Tita, nagpapasakay si mamay.
Ambo. Okay. Malaya sa ito. Mike will smash up Sheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Show me your fucking butt. How I show you fucking butt? Someone said. I don't know Risaima. And Sir Fred kicked him out. Why I showed you my fucking butt? Someone's kwan. My hobby, ano kwan. Oh my god. Yeah. More than 2,000. I will show my fucking butt. 2,000. Only Mike and I get to see that. Wait! Wait! My dad.
Okay,
Medyo.
Ako ang parating
Sige, matay mo na ako dun sa cellphone na. Nag-charge.
Yeah. A lot of perverts joining the live. Even not only here, but to everyone doing live. The chair. Yeah, no. Mike's on phone with you, so he can't respond to my message. Yes, sir, Fred. I can say anything I want, haha, Mike. A bread with pancit can. Yeah. No fish, just a bread and spoon.
I'll never go.
I can say anything I want. I want. Mike. What's our friend say? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. All the time. Yes, it's good.
Yes, that's good.
That's I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go mow more of the mountain. See you later. Bye, Mike. Sir Fred, Mike said bye bye. Take care. Julio, hello Brazil from Julio. Take care. Sir Fred, take care. At your mountain. Yeah, something. The Kwan and the ano. Ruby. Hello, Ruby. Thank you for the likes. It's ten o'clock at night here and it's cold. What time here? 10 o'clock. Where are you from, Julio? Uh, 90 degrees. Someone commented, it's 10 o'clock at night here and it's cold. Julio, from Julio. Milano, Italy. Ruby from Milan, Italy. Ah, yeah. That's right. I'm from Philippines. I'm living here in the I know I'm reading the comments. I'm from Philippines, Bicol province, Philippines. Sir Ruby, are you a man or a woman? How old are you, Ruby? How old are you? Yeah. How old are you? I'm 14 years old. Oh, joke. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Okay, you're beautiful. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yeah, something like that. I'm 49 years. Me, I'm 46 years old and I have lots of kids. Expired. Already because my husband is bomb. Yeah. Yes, because my husband always. Ouch!
Ouch! Wala naman mga bahay dito.
Ha?
Baso.
Sa balay ba ganahan ng baso? Wow, you have a lot. You have a kids, yes. I have a lot of kids. Angel Benitez. Hi, Angel.
Nakuya ka ba?
Hi, Jose. Ah! Eh! Yeah. I can carry you. You have a husband? Yes. Ruby, I have a husband. He always drunkard. She's a drunkard and something like that. He's in the gambles. That's why my life is not good, but that's my one, my destiny. and it's fine. I'm not comfortable telling you this because I'm alive. Sorry, Sir Ruby. I'm getting married. I'm getting married soon, but enjoy your meal. Thank you, Jose. I'm getting married soon, Ruby. Something like that. Getting married soon. My future husband is just nice and good, and is handsome. Super good. Yes, I hope you come. It's fantastic. How about you, Ruby? You married? You having a happy family? What else? You have lots of kids, beautiful and happy family, something like that. Very good for your life and family. Thank you, Ruby. Hope you so. Hope you also you need to you will all deserve the good people, not on deserve to having a good life and a happy, happy life. I'm not read the comment for a nonsense, Blaine. I am happy for you. Thank you so much, Ruby. Uh, he said he treat me right, and he's good man. Thank you, Ruby. How about you? Are you have a happy marriage life? And what else? Something like that. Happy life. No, no, I'm not saying that. Sure. Huh? No, 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 not one. I want to say but one. Oh, I want to see like. Wait, wait. I want to see. Thank you. Super tons of one. Wow. Thank you for people. Yeah, I'm not sorry guys. I'm not looking good because when I get up, not wash the face, something like that. I'm not looking good, my good life. I don't care, but I don't care. I'm not lo- I'm not looking good, but I don't care. Thank you to those who appreciate. Hi, RJ Castelio. Hello.
Ako sinuntok.
Kagabi ko pa yun. Nakasinaksak mo pa po na.
But soon, one time I'm doing live, having a makeup, a lipstick, a makeup, blush on something like that. But every morning, I'm not like that. You look, I'm messy hair, messy hair. No, something like this. No, like that. No, like one. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
Something like that. Some moving. Oh wow. What is that? Chicken nuggets?
Akaluya. Akaluya.
Chicken nuggets.
Sila, inugahaan mo. Sila, inuga na lang, panagulog ka.
Hmm.
ate,
Hmm.
ate Chef,
Ah?
naghahanap po sa inyo.
Oh my.
HW.
Oh, sige ko. Wait.
Sorry sa sport is free.
Oh.
Immortal. Sana all.
Aray ko. Sorry, excuse me.
Ulit. Ulit na lang bo. Ultag ka na. Waan. Wala kayo mo. Yun lang kumitigat mo. Covered. Kaya. Uy. Dito mo. Mitsuki. Mitsuki. Gabi nang gagawin yung push ka lang, son. Go. I know you will
Yeah, I love it. I love. Huh? Yeah, I want. I hope. Yes, me too.
Sport is
I do the same. Yes. The juice. Yeah. 41 years old. No one likes because I'm crazy. Yeah. Yes, that's one.
Naging nakalangat mo ka ganun na.
Uh, dun. My goodness. Johnny boy. Hello, beautiful. Good morning. How are you doing? Nice to see you again. It's John Boy, the Opal King. Hi, John Boy, the Opal King. How are you, John Boy? On the Ah, I see. Yeah. Wait. Oh shit. Um, on the on the something like this. Uh, uh, yes. Ah. Oh my goodness. Dun. Sorry. I'm greetings. Thank you for the likes. Ruben. Hi, Ruben. Uh, um, Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. 6 people in the house. Oh my God. Malaba man ako. I do laundry. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Ree. Hey, Ree. Huh? No, I live home. I live. Yeah. I don't need to go on. It's not good when it's not good I bring that's not good. It's respect, something like that. Yeah, because my parents what they use, something like that. That's respect. Yeah, because we can buy another one, something like a better one, something like that. Yes. Yes, what are you doing? I'm doing a live. See you. I will stand up if someone send me $2, $200. 2,000. 2,000. I will stand up. 200. I will stand up. 200. Come on, girl. Yes, I will stand up. Send super chat or people $200. Something like that. Dun, dun, mhm. Uh, uh, I love it. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry, I'm not entertained. Simple lang ako. Sana I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone. Thank you for watching. I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but no, now that you're gone, All I can do is wait for you to be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me when you said that love would come around? Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was good as reality? Now I must move on, try and forget all the memories of you and me. But I can't let go of the love that touched me to hold on. I want you to stay, never go away from me. Say forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is wait for you to be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me when you say that love would conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you say that dreaming was good as reality? Hi, Baltimore. Oh, Balmero. Let's move on. Try and forget all the memories of you and me. But I can't let go of your love that has taught me to hold on. Why did you have to leave me? Say that love you conquer. Why did you have to? You said I'm dreaming. Good as staying. Why did you have? I want you to stay, never go away from me. Why did you have to leave me instead of me? It is really you. Super duper, something like that. It's Brazilian. What? Was because it guide me for the love of my look. I have a heart inside the heart is my glove, and then we we guarded the yeah, that's right. And this took the one and the animal from you. But look, but you forgot. Yes, you you forgot, hon. Look. I gotcha. What's that? It's just Thank you for watching. Take me by the hand, I wish. Hold your breath and let me fly. It might, it might, it might, it might come true. The stars, starry night. Wish. Take me by the hand, I wish. Okay, I'll sing the song. Hold your breath and let me fly. It might come true, and we might fall in love. Thank you for watching. Sorry.
Next story.
Oh my God, rainy here again. Nais ko makita kang makita kang mahal kita kung ang kagagaling. Oh, nakuha mong kausapin ang puso. Kakulong ilang araw, ilang buwan ang dumaan. Yung naging tunay na magkaibigan. Kahit malayo tayo, andiyan ka sa piling. Kung may nais ko sabihin sa'yo, mahal kita at di kita iiwan. Nais kong yakap kailanman hindi kita pababayaan. Mahal ko. Naka-live ako, may katawagan si Mike, nagkakanta. Naka-live, di si Mike, nagkakanta.
Sila?
Ay, naka-live ako.
Ay, katawa.
Si Mike katawagan ko,
Ah.
tapos nagkakanta ako.
Yuki?
Kaya,
Bago Materialis? Hindi ko ang busing sa
may sinasambi. Nais ko sabihin sa'yo, mahal kita at di kita iwan. Nais kong yakap ikaw ang pilit. Kailanman hindi kita pababayaan. Mahal ko, mahal ko, nais kong sabihin sa'yo, mahal kita, di kita. Babang wakit kung iyaganin sa'yo, mahal kita at di kita iiwan. Nais kong yakapin kang mahigpit. Kailanman ay di kita pababayaan. You see, Babang? Babang. He can't hear you. She can't hear you. Daddy Mike, it's Daddy Mike. Say hi, Daddy Mike. Flying kiss, Daddy Mike. One more. One more. What you want?
Dito lang ko ba? Sarap na kakal na noodles. Ayaw yan.
Nais kong sabihin sa'yo, mahal kita at di kita pababayaan. Nais kong yakapin kang mahigpit. Kailanman di kita iiwan. Mahal ko, mahal ko. Nais kong sabihin sa'yo, kailanman ay di kita pabayaan. Nais ko. And the song said, I want to tell you, I want to kailanman. I'm not leaving you. That's what it said. I said in English. She like. She like.
Ah, sister ang pan mo.
Yes.
Sliced bread.
Ala, inubos na na ra. That's all. Ano na lang? Palangan na lang ang tuloy.
Ayuwa.
Nais kong sabihin sa'yo, kailanman ay di kita iiwan. Wow! Yummy! Yummy, babu! No, 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 no! No, 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 baby! Flying kiss kay Daddy Mike. The flying kiss ikaw. Kato na ka, mama. Kato ka, mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka kay Daddy Mike. Bye-bye ka kay Ay. Ay, cha! Bye, sabi, I said. Nais kong yakapin kang mahigpit, kailanman hindi ka. Tapos ka na? Oo. Amala ba ako? Magamit na ako. Kinapoy na. Kinapoy na. Lumahaw ka na? Oo. Tagal ako ni Estonia. Ah. Kaya ko sabi ko kausap mo na. I need to prepare the corn because I need to wash the clothes. No laundry. I do laundry. Come on. Come on, guys. Oh. Dapat halion niya doon kung maturuan niyo doon mga bado ni Dada ho, yan ano. Di. Mahinuro na?
Oo. Ilabahan yun?
Ha?
Ilabahan?
Diri, intaklob yun sa ano? Di ba yun? I do laundry. I do one. Ha? At the room. At the room. At the room. Yes.
that. Ah, I saw on live. Night is gone. Oh my god, I have lots of money on the pocket. I'm rich. Rich. Yes, rich wow. Rich wow. It's in the air. Yeah. He eat a lot. He like no complaint today. Because you know what? Huh? Because you know what? You get it? No, stop. No. Anybody can say no spoon. Yes, that's right. Yeah, you will hit me. Labutangan mo dito, yes. Ang washing machine, butangan mo tubig kaya malaba. I told him, washing machine, put water there.
Sino? Wala man, nagtapos na si tita mo, Grace.
May mga voucher dito.
Tawagin natin. Sino? Bakit pinagawin? Yeah. Beautiful is love of my life. Where are you from? Huh? No, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, shits. I watch shits today. Like shits. Oh my god. The shit. No, all the lots of fun. Yeah, I love people so much. Because because I changed a lot. Here, what you call this? Not here. That's why I need to change. That's why I need to change. What you call this? Sweating. Yeah, sweating on this. Nais kong yakapin kang mahigpit kahit hindi ka iwan. Nais kong, nais kong, What's that? What is Yes, sir. Hanging up. That it. My. This says. Pants. My pants. Already washed. Clean. Yeah. I washed before. Huh? Yeah, my gap jacket. Gap jacket. I washed it before. Maybe I need to do something like storage bags again because too much warm. Let me see. Parmesan baguette. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? O kahit na may mahal ka ng iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Huh? A lot of... Yeah, I washed clothes today. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Wait lang. Wait a minute. Wait lang. Okay. Ano na nagkuhan? May nagagamit pa, Gab? Bakit nga ba mahal kita?
At simila ka mo kasaga?
Ano saga? Miyerkules?
Ano ba saga? Martes da?
Miyerkules.
Merkules.
Kay Manano?
Ibiling ko ka na sa siya maatag din sa nga. Is ko na kami.
Sa Sorsogon? Buto guys, sa Kugon pa, no? Imbitahan ako sa Zumba. Alas 2. Zumba kuan. To competition sa Kugon. May practice nga ni kami doon ha.
Naputo na lang si ate.
Alas 2 anan.
Wala mata ni Mark. Mark.
Ay, nagbahayan na?
Nagbahayan na si Lina.
Normal?
Normal.
Ay, kagayo, mayroon.
Ano mayroong alang ka ay maano pa pilik mata ha. Para sa man lang.
Ay, gayon. Babae. Gayon, mayroong siya.
Alang kawon ha. May gari kayo.
Jerry.
Mao talaga inimod ko. Ay, mayroong siya.
Ano gari si Elias si Dada?
Agwapo, ay kagayon.
Ayun na.
Bata man ako babae.
Si Elias Argane ate, sabi lalaki makurunaan.
I want to, sabi na mo ni Mike, gusto na ako babae.
Babae.
Dito sa ano. Right?
Ayan para yun sila talaga. Ayun, gayuro talaga.
Siguro baka so pang Miss Universe.
Oo.
Oo, and ini magic, right? If we have a baby girl, beautiful, smarter than you, beautiful than me. Smart like you, beautiful like me, something like that. Kulang man niya rin na sabon. Kang ka na yan din, Kanya to ino washing.
Ay, balisa ka nate.
Ate.
Si Gila.
Kulang sa tan sabon, di nagsusubong. Di man ito nagsusubong.
Oo, kaya.
Ito ba yung sabon dito?
Sabay lang yan.
Sa may kamay, butang mo, kabudlay man sa tubagay mo doon. Tapos diri nagtataririk, butang mo sa heavy. Diri nagtataririk, butang mo sa heavy.
Oo.
Pag magkaka-heavy mo, di parang magtaririk, nagtataririk sa tahan, habi lang yung kabudlay. May sabon ba dito sa ano? Para ba subong? Di bang kaya, ang saro lang na sa shame. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka ng iba? I don't like that.
Ha?
If what's mine is mine. I don't like sharing. Hi, old man. I'm fine. Howdy. Hi, old man lives. How are you? Thank you for joining us. And then, ano, thank you for joining. How are you? Oh, my beautiful. Hi, please, Edward. Thank you for joining. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit lang
Ako na buhay lang. Pilipinas.
May 19.
19?
Yan, pulis niyan.
Niya na buhayan, yan.
Hapon.
18. 18.
Practice na yan.
Maburo.
Biyernes kahapon.
Ay, oo nga.
18.
18. May 18.
Magayon ang number niya.
18 ah.
Good number 8.
Thank you. Wow, yes, beautiful. But,
Well,
12.
ako 21. Binilitan lang.
Ay, oo ah.
Ah,
ano yan?
birthday niya. 12.
Sino? Sano?
Mahal.
San March. Siya 21. Binaliktad lang.
Destiny.
Pag-birthday 21.
21.
Andun si ano naman? Si, ako birthday ko to.
Oo, bagate.
August 8.
Oo.
Birthday ni Mike 4.
Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tapos
Ayaw
ang
nga.
birthday niya may 8.
Oo.
August, Mike Sigab 8.
Ah.
2, 3, 4. Ang nakabutan dito sa ang sa Biblia, ang Gabriel sa Aquarius sa ako. Sa ang Aquarius ko na ang nagdarasan magayon na balisa sa Aquarius. Tapos ang Michael naman po, tagapagligtas. Perfect for me. Savior.
Talaga.
Si Michael.
He's
Savior.
my savior.
Oh, my Savior. Michael is my Savior. And Gabriel, bring the good news. Biblical, talk about me. Perfect. Gabriel is a bring good news, and Michael is a Savior. Yes, that's right. Oh my, talking to you. I'm talking to you. What country are you from? I'm from Philippines. Wonder for you drinking coffee. You're Korean? You 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 always remember Korea because you have lots of memories there. Most of Guam. You have a good. You have good. How many how many years do you stay in Korea? Oh, just 1 year? My God. 1 whole year. For that 1 whole year, you have a Korean girlfriend that time at a young age, and then you learn, yeah, single and ready to mingle. I'm from Philippines. Dun, 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 dun.
Deya?
Oh, your favorite lady, my God, I don't like her. Your favorite, the lady,
Ang pangalan sa bata, Ate
the,
Mark.
huh?
Ang pangalan sa bata, Ate Mark. Ano pagkabasa mo? Deya. Deya.
Ito lang mga sentence niya. Daya. Hindi nito lang ang daya. 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 Ano yun? Mabubuli yun. Di pa daya. Daya ka pa daya. Hindi na tandilya. Ano naman yun sa Bible?
Oo. Ay, oo, sa pangalan.
Dark, sweet time with her hubby. Yeah, because I don't want it. Sometimes I disturb them because I feel jealous. What? Yes. When is the future hubby coming back out there? Scott, when? September. Sir Scotty. My show. He's coming back in October this year, so looks like from Philippines. It's 8 a.m. I'm from Philippines, and I don't. If you don't have, and I don't like your ETM because your ETM is toxic. 5W1P1. Yes. Uh, um, oh my, and soon for you, beautiful. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. If I don't, if look, yes. If you can't afford, you need to know the person. You guys needs money all the time at the moment. Uh, maybe you surrounded, maybe you meet the Filipino like that. So I'm sorry you experienced that. What it calls name 5W1P1. You experience a lot of something. I am not. I. You have a right to say it's your opinion, but maybe you need to know more people before you commit. Like I'm a stranger. How you say that to me if you don't know me? Then how you spend money to the person you don't know her, you don't know them, and then you finally found out that they scam your money, and then you blame other people that no one bad things to you, that you think all the people you encounter seem like people you met before, always asking money. I ask you money, excuse me, I ask money from you. How dare you to say that? Do you? I'm asking money from you, huh? Cause they love eating all the time. Oh, sorry, you experience scammers, uh, Filipina, something like that, and you're blaming me because you experienced that before. You think all the Filipinos like that? Huh? Where do you live? I'm living in Bicol province. Bicol. I'm from Bicol. And I don't like. That's why you know what? You need to know the person you spend or you send money. That's why, because not people like you and the foreigners, not foreigners like you. Your attitude not like you. Because I meet the foreigners, they are good. They come before, but they don't like, they not like you. Yeah, lol. Don't pay attention to him. He chose the wrong woman and now he takes it out and everyone's simple-minded. Yes. No blame, just letting people know how people are. Yes. You need to know the Hi, Jerome. Paano ako, Jerome? Ikaw naan mag-ano sa ito ko na naan kay Puwan.
Saan?
Di ko araman.
Ano rin? Ang pinto?
Pwede man niya tinangon na lang na barkurang doon.
Ang yan yung video?
O pwede mo na ano sa taas. Daghano na nimo kay nagtuturo pa ng taas.
Video?
Oo. Ano sa nang bakalon? Ay, Mami Jaila. Yeah, you different that fine. I'm the foreigner. Come here and the experience is come Filipina because the Filipinos said they think they are good, they're beautiful, the outside.
Sa'yo pa din?
Sa may didi, o dito sa may didi, tapos didi ho. Oo.
Okay.
Something like that. Yeah, different that fine. Maganda. Yeah.
Ha?
I'm not saying that I'm different, but you need to know the people. You need to know the people meet online. Seem like this. You see me here. Maybe you think I'm not good. So it's up to you. It's your opinion. So that's why I want to know you, foreigner, that experience come Filipinos, Filipina, meeting online. So I'm sorry to what happened to you. Never meet online. I never meet online. I'm just saying something like that. So it's fine. That's fine. It's your opinion. So I'm not. It's fine for me. So I'm not affected because I know myself. I'm not like it's fine. Maybe because maybe not yet met. Maybe because he knows about the Filipinas scam corners. A lot of Filipinas scam corners. So maybe that's why Filipinos always asking money. That's why he said. Just the family asking way too much. That sound like what he said. Just the family asking too much. He said maybe glad you're yourself, true to yourself. So it's maybe because a lot, and I telling you this, a lot of not a lot, but some are good. But the good is you sometimes you never met you don't meet on social media because a lot of Filipinos not on social media. Seem like here they're busy to work, they're busy for the family, something like that. Not the time all the social media because spending social media on the Filipinos sometimes their job is coming corner, something like that. So you need to know the Filipinos, Filipinas you want to meet. So you don't send or spend much money. You can help, but not too much. Just help, or if you want to help the Filipinos, the Filipina. But if you feel too much, spending much money for the Filipinas, be careful. You need to know more than the person. I'm glad you're not like that. Taking 5 minutes break. No, it's fine, Serpent. It's good to you're still alive. Yes, taking 5 minutes. That's good. Sometimes it's good to talking about this coming Filipinos because a lot of foreigners, right? A lot of foreigners experience come Filipinas, something like that. Sorry guys, as I feel a lot of Filipinos, a lot of foreigners experience scam Filipinas. So sometimes I feel ashamed. So that's feel ashamed. So those because they are looking good, they're pretty, looking good, so pretty inside and outside, and then they're pretending they're good, but their job is coming money from rich foreigner. So be careful. You need to be careful meeting Filipino online, social media, something seem like that. So you need to know the person before you commit. Okay, good-hearted people are likely to meet the point. Thank you so much. 5W1.1. I want to. Yeah, sometimes it's that's why a lot. Many foreigners complain of scam by Filipino. You're pretty inside and outside. Thank you, Sir Fred. So that's why my advice uh, to those foreigners who falling in love with a Filipino online, not yet met, you need to know more. You need to know the person. You need to visit her because sometimes they are a lot because some are in a relationship not yet a breakup, totally breakup, or some are married, already married, but they are entertained as sweethearts, something like that, one to him, and then when they find out that someone in attached her and in love with her, and then the foreigner is willing to spend money, and then not asking, but the intention is spend money with her because she thinks the foreigner in love with her. So that's why you need to know the Filipina before you spend much money. Okay, that's the issue about lots of foreigners come by Filipina. Hello, good morning. How are you today? Hi, Nings. Nings, I'm fine, thank you. I'm from Philippines. Because other Filipina use their like being a poverty to scam foreigners, scammed by foreigner. So that's why some foreigner are good-hearted and they are willing to help, and then some Filipino are greedy, so they don't think how much the foreigners spend money with for them. That's why they take they take and take. So that's why they're not good. I feel ashamed of Filipinos doing something like that. So I'm sorry what happened. I'm from Australia. Hi, Ning from Australia. You should. Thank you so much for joining. You live in Batanga. I'm living in Bicol province, Philippines. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Fred. Uh, Thank you, Sir Fred, for keeping uh, wrong people joining here. Thank you so much. Well, we've had breakfast. Already done breakfast. Maybe preparing for lunch. Oh, my cousins live there too. Here on Bicol province. And then, You have a brother in the verse. What? You have brother in the verse. What is that verse? Okay, going back to mountain. See you later. Thank you, Sir Fred. See you later. And it took long. Guess what? How you been to Australia? No, never been in Australia. Sorry. Never been in Australia. Your body is very nice and beautiful. Oh my god. Are you sure with that? No jokes. Someone said my body is very nice and beautiful. That's and thank you for the compliment. Neng Sineng. Where are you? Are you an art? Oh my god. I'm not an artist or a celebrity. I'm just an ordinary woman here in the Philippines. I'm not I'm not I'm not beautiful like an artist and celebrity. Oh my gulay. I thought you bring that. I thought you bring that when you come here. Uh, I can come to the Philippines to see you. Really? You can come here when I'm getting married. I'm getting married soon. This year. Maybe you can come here. Maybe you can come here.
Ito, may person.
Parcel. Para man ako daw. Wait lang.
Balikan Janet. Pagod. Ay, kan Janet. Ate, kato na si Min. Kan Janet, pera. Uy, kasi katuan na.
You have a husband. I'm getting married soon. I'm not married yet. I'm getting married soon. Soon I will on. Do you want me to take your no thanks. I'm going to USA very soon. So no thanks. Thank you, Ning Sin Lang. Australia is good country, but I'm preparing going to America because my future hobby live there, something like that. Yeah, because a lot of friends living in America. So hi Brel Vargas. Hello, hi Brel. Thank you for joining Brel. Da, dun, 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 dun. And then I love my hobby so much. Super duper tons of love. Philippines, Jai, Brian Vargas. from Philippines. Super dopens Brazilian songs of love. Huh? Our beautiful. Watch. Wow. Wow, my name there. I hope so. My name there. Sheryl Ohm. Ah, yes, that's good. I am not in Australia now. I work for the oil and gas company Saipem in Italian in the offshore sea. Wow. Take care always at your work. Uh, and God bless you every day. Blessing you and your family. Thanks Him. God bless you. God bless everybody to the good people. And to the bad people, God watching you. And to the God knows uh, what you're doing. So He knows what you're doing bad. So for the good people, God bless you and your family. Hi, Sir Steven. Thank you for joining. Thank you for everybody. Do you have a relative working at the Italian company? No, I don't have relatives or friends working at the Italian company Saipem. I don't have any friends or relatives working there. And then me, I love everybody. Just the good people. I love good people. I like good people, and I don't like toxic people. Fake people, scammers and fake people. Yes, I don't like fake people, bad people, scammers people, pervert people. Wait, when I go back to Australia, do you want me to pick you up in the Philippines? No, no, because when I go there, if I'm going there in Australia, I'm with my hubby, so you don't need to pick me up going there. So I can manage myself. My hubby can manage me going there. So don't worry about me, Ning Sining. You need to enjoy your life and stay healthy, stay safe. Whatever you do, where you're going, whatever you're going, something like that. That's me, fake and scammers. Sir Fred said. Sir Fred is what do you call this? Sir Fred, Sir Fred, you're just a bully man. No need to one something like that. Just a bully man. We know you. Maybe your name is KK Fake and scam, ano, something like that. Like what you said. But not. I only bully and you and Mike, yes. I can transfer the money to you as much as you want. Hey? Uh, Ning Sining, no worries about me. Maybe you need to help deserving people need your help. Okay, singing, singing. No, no worries about me because my future hubby, what do you call it? He support me a lot, something like that. He 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 taking cares of me. Actions speak louder than words. Ning send first. Maybe Ning, I use a sense of per chat, so it helps me. Cheryl, good morning to you from Sir Dwayne. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Hey, Dwayne. Sir Dwayne, good morning. Uh-huh. Huh? Hey, Dwayne from Sir Fred. Fred, you good to see you, my friend from Sir Dwayne. Everyone, huh? Hi, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Dwayne. How are you? And say hi to your wife, Sir Dwayne. Thank you for joining. Okay, I'm sorry if you're angry. I'm not angry. I'm saying the fact. Ning saying. She not angry, just send. Don't talk about sending, just do it from Sir Fred. Oh my god. I really want to find a wife. Okay. I hope you find your good wife. Okay, Ning Sining. How old are you, Ning Sining? Be careful. Looking for the wife. Hope not the scammers one. Really want. He wants to buy a wife. No need to buy. Oh my god. Hi, Shaya. Thank you for the likes. He can send her all money. Oh my god. You need to, Ning Sinin, be careful. Okay, you will be regret later if you can do it. Fred, what emo means, Sir Dwayne? What emo? What emo? The next 8 a.m. Yeah, you will regret. Okay, I'm busy at work now. Okay, take care, Ning Sinin. Be careful. God bless you and your family. Thank you for joining. See you again. Yeah. Thank you for joining Sning Sining. Sir Dwayne, we're going there to America and we visit you and Sir Joan Crazy. We met you there next year. Something like that, Sir Dwayne. We visit you and Sir Joan Crazy and my cousin there in America. A moment's laughing my ass off. Oh my god. That's it. I love. Now I know the plan. Oh my god. Now I know the meaning of one. The what you call this? The emo. He won't come back. Beautiful. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. He won't come back because he can't buy you. No need to buy a wife. Just be yourself. Rolling on floor, laughing my ass off. Oh my god. Anna, now I rolling on floor, laughing my ass. Sir Fred, you. You learn more every day. Yeah, no need to buy a wife. My God, you will regret this because if you try to buying a wife, you will be scum. Okay, seriously, I'm going back to mall now. Okay, thank you, Sir Fred. Bye, Sir Fred. We'll see you later. Yes, po. Hello. Um, yeah. Ew. Ah, no. What if someone can? Oh no, I can. I will catch up with you sometime. Take care. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Take care, Dwayne from Sir Ben. You located in the Philippines. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Dwayne, for joining. Yeah, I'm living here in the Philippines. Shayad. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, nice. I have a few people there that I'm working with. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Where are you from, Shire? Your future hobby. Explain to me about helping that family out after the fire. Yes, po, Sir Dwayne. Super nice people. Yes, Shaya. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Yeah. She deserve receive the help because she's nice. I know her and no clothes totally. Have the food, no foods. She deserve to receive the help, something like that. She's pregnant. She's a teeny tiny. She's pregnant too. A little kids. Oh my god. So that's why she needs help. New York, Shayag from New York. Welcome to my channel. Uh, let's see on time. Hi, Cheryl. That was very sweet and very kind of you to help. Thank you, Sir Gwen. My job here is a volunteer community service. I'm working here as a community volunteer community service, so that's why if someone needs help, we're trying to help. What uh, uh, that thing we give help. What we call this? The best that we can, something like that. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Yes. Nothing else? Nothing else?
Ano ba nagpudong si PPR? Ano ba maaari na sa...
Hmm. Is this your kitchen? This is my parents' home. Their kitchen. So I cook here for forbidden job. My son. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Yan ang. This. Yeah. Memories, happy memories. Loves yeah. This list looks like something I would love to see in the movie. You would love to see in the movie this place. Oh my god, this kind of place. Where state do you live in America? Shayag. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Cheryl, how's your father feeling? My father is felt a little bit better. He can sit down on his own and he speak good now, not like before. A little bit good now, my father, Sir Dwayne. I need to fix the roof, hon, because what do you call this? When raining inside, maybe the leak, some leak inside, like when heavy rain. Yeah, something like that. Maybe no, on the side, and then something like this. And put on the. Yeah, I am very happy to hear that. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. In the holy sites of New York. Holy sites in New York. What is the holy sites in New York? Where is that? Who you cha 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 line dancing song. Who you. Yeah. Living the Dream 37. Hi, where in the Philippines are you located? The Bicol province, Philippines. Living the Dreams 37. I'm living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Good evening from Brazil. Morning here. Noon time here. Something like that. Good evening to you. Have a nice day here. Okay, call. Where are you from? Living the Dream 37. Where are you from? I love this so much. Dun, 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 dun. No, no, shh. No, no, not ano. Right. Okay, fine. Now. Oh my god. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Mm,
Sila? Nagduwa, sana?
thank you, Sir Dwayne. Sorry. Great dance moves. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. It's 9:39 a.m. in the Thailand now. Oh, you're living in Thailand. Just kidding, New York doesn't have any holy sites. Maybe that's it. Oh my god. Shy. Cheyenne. It's a real tag, Cheyenne. Thank you for being honest. Dun, 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 Jayla is still washing the clothes, so that's why I need to wait until she finishes. Yeah, Mother Jara, my mother, my sister. Who? Me? Yes, of course. My co-workmate. Because I plan to work today. Yeah, that's why I'm not feeling good. Yeah, that's why I'm too much in love and I want to get married. I'm not feeling well. I want the hobby. I want a hobby. That's why I'm not feeling well. My God. Ha? Bye. Ha? Wait. Ano? Makaang ka? Ano? Orange? wait, I need to, my fathers need an orange. So let's gonna wait. She need an orange, he needs an orange.
And
Hindi daw ikaw. Sino? I'm fine. If you want to send me, thank you. I need to buy assignment because of the roof. I need to fix the roof. And then the roof because yesterday heavy rain then when I go inside the room, oh my god, the floor is wet. Yeah, because the rain inside from the roof from the wait something like this. You know what this something like this. Then you put the another roof. The water is from here, so it's leak. It's leak, something like a leak. So I need to maybe with the cement. They need to hide and because the water is stuck there, the place there. So that's why absorb, not flow the water, then stop the water, then and then the water is a leak. Uh-huh. Oh, what? I told my brother's son, he needs to something orange. Orange. Uh-huh. Huh? Lalaba. Maliwang ka ba, Dok? Maliwang ka? Hanap ako ito kayo. Maliwang ka? Wait, I need to change the clothes you want. Ano naman ang kahit iwanan?
mo, hindi mainit na pwede.
Wait lang. Ha?
Sheryl, alimot ka na sa ako, nakapamagayon ka na bata. Kalimutan mo na lahat, nakapamagayon na bata.
Cheryl, are you working today? Maybe later po. I'm working later. Thank you, Sir Dean. Oh my God! 50 likes so easy. Thank you for the likes. No time, no headache, no comfort and bliss. That's my love. Ha? Ha?
Kailangan ko.
Oh, wait lang. Oh my God. May gulay.
Saan? 1,000. 500. 5,000. 200. 1,200. 1,300. 1,400. 1,200. Bali, 1 po. 1 po. Ano po ba? Yung pasali papa yun ay hindi kayo naka... Makaya. adobo? Ano adobo?
Di ko alam kung saan ako.
Boss,
Check, check, check.
lima lang. Tapos, inulang ko ng tubig. Tubig. Sa balsin na yun na. Ano yun yung pinapot sa balsin. Pwede nyo yung may tubig. Tapos, yung mga takal na paluto. Sabaw mo na lang sa kampihan. Tubig.
I need to one. Thank you for watching. New viewers, welcome to the channel. Hi, thank you. Handog.
Ay, ayun na, ipagbalik ka na yung
Video. Lots of fun. Tomato. Lots of tomatoes.
Ate, Mimi daw. Sabi ni
Oh,
ano?
okay. Sino mo ba si ano? Kami, may minala. Kahit papa, ay, siya na napapita rin. Nana. Sorry, hindi mo na pa yan itsura. Super I made a escabeche. Yeah, I bought onions, garlic, tomatoes, with vegetable, fried fish, and I put it egg. The egg. I put in tomatoes, garlic, onions. What else? Ginger. No, I mean fish is escabeche. Vegetable, fish, fried fish. Shish, 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 shish. Shish, 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 shish. Shish, shish, shish. Yeah, something like. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yummy.
Oh, nice.
Looks yummy. Yes, super yummy. But you, but you are, but you are yummy. You don't like? Yeah. Sir Fred said, right? Action speaks louder than voice, than words. You believe it when you do it. Yeah. Action speaks louder than words. And something like that. Yeah. Yes, something like that. And then yeah. What else? Da da dun 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 dun. Wait, no. Tomorrow. Next year. Maybe next year, something like that. The perfect time. Yeah, something like this, something like that, something everything. I found a love for me, darling, just like I am. Darling, darling, like I'm you are like some beautiful woman. Just gets me feeling. Wow, beautiful Brunei. Love woman like that. You know, gorgeous. Huh? And she and mothers have such a beautiful and wonderful heart. You know, girl. Hi. Gladstone Boyle. Where are you from? That's why I like you, beautiful Brunei. That's why you like me.
Ah. Ano daw ako tabi niya?
Buga ba kala ako bunay? Gagab! Pukok. Pakala ako bunay ito. Buwan ako bunay. Tingnan ka na bunay.
Ah, ano. Dira.
Buwa. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you so much. Hi, Dada. Harry Bar. Bar. Harry Bar. Bus ng dagas mo kaya magpapa ka na ng kanin. Sorry. Ilog! Uy, kaya ilog! Ila, tulog na!
Bila! Ay, alin?
Thank you, Sir Dwayne.
Thank you so much.
Ano po mo?
Ayun mo yung ako rin. Mo pagilog at ay, ha? Mama! Ati ako pasok magtutuasan ega. Ma! 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 Pasok ako. Ma!
na. Babang si Daddy Mike. Good. Pakaunan mo sa dinahin. Gulay. Kami. Ulang-ulang kita dito.
Mapila mo.
Papa, hello. Say hello na. Naroay ako. Naroay. Sino? Si Jayla. Bibi Jayla feels shy. Because she see you.
Aray ko.
Hello. Don't hide from camera. Sir Fred, hello. Don't hide from camera. Don't hide the camera, Babang. Don't hide the camera, Babang. You need to hide the camera. Sir Fred. Sir Fred, she Bibi Jayla and her mother, Jayla. Jayla and Bibi Jayla. Dito na babasa.
Mami. Mami.
Hmm? Asa na orange? Wala na. Inubusan ni Papa yung orange.
Basta papa awin.
Opo.
Awin.
As long as you and camera with the kid, there's no problem. Yeah. She's too young to be mother. Yes. She's 21 years old. 22. 22. And she's how old are you? May gulay din dito. Two pa lang. Two. Maybe. Slide. 22. No, ba? Agad, ka na naman kaunang kita. 22, no way. Yes. She's shy mama, yes. She's shy mama. And she's so young, yes. Uh, 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 uh. What is that? Gulay.
I have TikTok, sir friend.
Gab, gab na gab.
Ay, pansit gusto mo?
Gusto mo yung ano lang, may singer.
I'm on live on TikTok.
Ako man, ano yung sa tinggan ka? Come on, let's eat, Sir Fred. Cheryl is 22. So she's 16. Oh my God. Yeah. Come on, Sir Fred. Let's eat now. Han, come on, let's eat. I love. I know I'm only joking. I know you're joking. Sir Fred, come on, let's eat. Honey. Honey, my love. So sweet. Oo. Magaling naman siya. At imagination niya sa pagluto, ha? Okay, raday niya siya.
Una.
Yes. Opo. Tama sabi dito, may garapon dito gab na may hipon. Kuha daw tabi, kuya gab. Ako na lang.
Garap.
Tubig. Between your food and my beer, Mike will be poor. Oh my God. Eating again, no wonder Mike going broke. Yes, Mike going broke because I ate a lot. I'm always done. Yeah, ano ka? Nephew. Bagong gupit ka daw.
Oh, nagyari siya sa pagkaburong ko ba yan?
Hindi ko siguro
Wala na.
napansin. Yeah, he need a girlfriend. Hello Nephew, feels like rain there. Yeah, Nephew daw sir. Ano si Nephew? Sir Fred. When you going to teach Cheryl how to fall off school? Aray ko. Feels like rain here. Same here po, Sir Fred. Cheryl, I'm back. Had to check on my wife. Okay po. Thank you, Sir Green.
Aray mo. Aray mo.
I need someone to check on me. Sir Fred.
Ubusin mo muna yan.
Babang. Yan. She's so cute like me. Oh, babang. Fred. Preferably a nice looking Filipino. Bye-bye, Sir Dwayne and Sir Fred, because I need to charge this phone going to low bat. Thank you so much. Low battery. Thank you so much. God bless, Sir Fred. Hello, Han. Si, Bibi Jayla, bye-bye. Sir Fred. Babang. Si hi, bye-bye si Sir Fred. Babang. Si hi to Sir Fred, babang. Babang. Uy. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Babang, si hi to Sir Fred. Uy. Babang, si hi to Sir Fred.
Babay daw.
Bye-bye, Sir Fred. Flying kay Sir Fred. You have a great rest of your day. Thank you, Sir Dwayne.